Hello Mzansi and the world, welcome to another episode here of Mzansi's funniest video. Please guys, comment, like and share. Azish?
When immediately you start asking her what's the hype with Aisho Speed, it really net ask how only 50, only 40, we may like it pain, we may like it mortgage, we may like it no mamang as how it's what that. When Maya we go to all right patin. Upele music wa batho ba holo o tlo mo Aisho Speed ke thaka tsa bana ba ba rena tsantse ba itse Aisho Speed ke hype Aisho Speed ke Aisho Speed when I did imali.
Okay.
Yo, chat, we in KwaZulu-Natal in the real South African house. Yo, chat. Wait, why is nobody moving?
Uzawukhala.
Chat, am I lagging right now? Long language? What language you speak here in Africa?
Zulu.
What, bro? What?
Sawubona.
Udlikhekhe ngomlomo.
Sawa?
Kunjani?
Chat, can somebody tell?
Ungitshele masoqedile ukuphapha. Ngibulisa umndeni.
Yo, bro. Hi, I'm Speed, bro. Whoa, chat. You almost broke my hand.
Hayi, umalume lo akahleki. Aw, intokazi madoda. Hang on.
Whoa.
Let me over
Chat.
what?
Is she wiping material?
Yeah. Ingane yami.
Overthink.
15 go.
50 what?
Baba, there's 10 V-classes outside.
Huh?
For yena.
15 komo for ivula mlomo.
The next time you say your type is a guy with a car, you must have medical aid. He has medical aid. If you guys get into an accident, he's going to Net Care while you're going to Ellen Joseph.
Advice is internet.
Uthini? Akwazi ukukhuluma. Ulambile. Letha account number yakho ngifayile imali. 07. Akwazi ukukhuluma. Ujwayela wona.
Hi, tawa ke kana ke mo mmolong wa le ba khomo so ke topile ID smart card sa ID so ho yetla o tlele tola go iphumula.
Oh, ulophumula ID.
No, namhlanje bengifuna ukuvuka nomlayezo othi guys, ecompany yethu asikhanda ama Dettol. Ise Deloitte. Siyama accountant.
Utshwala bisandawo. Utshwala nje abisani indawo. Futhi nalento yenu ukuthi nizofika lana kuma TikTok kuma social media wenu niposte utshwala niposta nibuza nje nina like anamahloni.
Yes, ngabe bakhama ro.
No, like anamahloni. Yo.
Aw sisi.
And then Lincoln saying go the makeup go the frontal in bona. Pila like with a bare face ka afro. Ke pila ka bare face le afro.
It's a petroleum gel. Those are styles. What's happening?
Rigi. Miranjo.
Why no sabrigi?
Okay guys, thank you for making it to the interview, nah? Okay, so to get started, here there is no basic salary, you get paid on commission. Yeah.
Remember, your mission is to find them and kill them.
Consider it done.
And if you fail to kill them, we kill you.
Yes, but Aibo, what did I do? Hello.
What did I do?
Nena batswadi hutane bana ba lena tsela ya nnete ga hore bana ba bolena ba ya kwa di thabeng ba bitha ba bina go tshela ya hore molatsa o gae sedi ya magala o bitele pitch molatsa o gae le batho le principal
Ithi iBhayibheli.
Bible says
God have mercy. Umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu. Nami ngumuntu ngabantu.
a people is a human. A people is people by
people.
A person is human by people, but means people by people.
I give you 4 things, which means I forgive you. I give you 4 things. And you, on the other hand, you get the 4 things I gave you, which then means you forget them. What do you get? 4 things. What are the things? There are 4. And you are getting them, so you forget. Right? Now, once I have given you the 4 things, what did I do to you? The past tense of give is gave. I forgave you. The 4 things forgave you. And you have received them. What is the past tense of get? It's got. So you forgot. I forgave, you forgot. For your homework, I want you to think and analyze in a 6,000-page essay the past tense of the word 65. Not the number, but the word. Like 65. S-I-X, 65. I want you to give me the past tense of the word 65. And I want you to explain to me how the spacing between the different letters makes you feel.
So cool, bruh. The only reason I keep talking to these shoes is because they can converse.
Okay.
They're all stars.
Oh.
do you get it? Get converse.
Balls.
Do you get it?
Merry Christmas, Machita.
Which Japan anguzo okudagiwe.
Merry Christmas one
Usek.
Merry Christmas one. Merry Christmas.
Literally name one thing your country does that Japan can't do better.
Easy. Magic. South Africa has got some of the best magicians in the world because we get relief funds and money from everywhere in the world and poof, gone. And the magicians are so good. They still can't find the money. Beat that, Japan.
Majita Matata ke Majita buan le rona ka stene go saloon tle mona out of the style tsotle mona fatsing o bolwa no batla mohoko
fit
mohoko
cute mohoko fit batla re
e mona masimohoko
batla re
bua mfeto re gazate mfeto re go irele tiro king
Agent Kruger, FBI, what have you here? We found your friend dead. And no one... I sent it.
Kirele kamane kanno mohulu bukanang kanang Josie Jobeke ngasigili one. Ko Jobe ko pata le muthu a beriski ba se kwetse together we can fight crime. Mara o tshwara po.
Ba makhelwane. Makhelwane. Unjani mfo? Kuyaphileka makhelwane ngezwe ku. Akulungile mpe. Yini lenukayo? Ya baba. Ayijalo ke impilo ke. Iyanuka ya baba. Ngisho ibaba inuka kodwa kuyaphileka. Ya. Hey, usazutshela laba ngasifuni nalaba ngasikhulumisa uda next year. Same time, same place. Ya, ayihamba kwemfo ngazi kuthiwa sabangani emakhelwane.
Not to mention taba ya hore ha ke tle go ra kholo guys all the way from Komama. I was driving my new Land Cruiser, a pure white with a touch of gold. Ke loko Zambezi ko Montana guys, khona Enkel Doran le Zambezi drive.
Okay.
How feta ka Dr. Swanepoel before o fitla ko di toll gating guys. Ka baka la hore na ke ya ko flea market ke batla ho yo rekela ngwana di pet are o batla mafele khale a sa bone mafele na go reka di cockroaches mafele guys for ngwana a ke re ba tsana go ba sa bone ba nna go di tropong go di tatlo fridge so for yena is a pet le fele is a pet. Unfortunately he mama a tlo mfounela. Can you believe hore ke tshollotse iced tea ena ke tshwere mo lotsohong ya apple and lemongrass, not to mention taba ya o nyaka ho thula di roboto ka lucky. I was very cautious.
O di thula
taba ya lesole la Thabiso ba gaitso e ntlhakatlhakantshitse a ke batlo bolela maka. Thabiso ke motswala ka guys. Ha ke re ke motswala is because of nasa bereki wa bona nka tlhokofetse a bereka na ke tla re ke cousin ba nong ke motswala nasa bereki, not to mention taba ya o swima nasa khonile o swima all together o itswetse ko sekolong ka grade 6 ba gaetsho mara ka baka la hore I'm a very very busy man ke khogile tshega ya fapoga le ra go katla mo lesommo a ke tsamaye le soleleng le leng guys ke a ipona unless ba boloka ka cascade guys ntwe ke batlang go ira mo guys ke taba ya matshidiso ka 40,000 40,000 guys
10 rand
kere tshiditsegang ba gaetso tshiditsegang batho bo botle ba loreng balla ke tlo ba fa di 200 after ke ba fe di 500 tsoro ba di male guys gore ho ska ba le trauma mo lesong not to mention taba ya hore a ke batle le gata-gatane lelwe guys o lo ring a so tlhaele ke leso lena ke mo fa matshidiso in advance
mina khabo umuntu ambayangazi noSathane nasesontweni bayamazi mara bamfuni uyahlanya kanti
Mamo yini Petros ufunani mamo yini ufunani kalokuha yo nangimutisa kabona ivice copy scheme bona sweet sayramya yo nangilomfana sekabona amasweet kimi ejokona mihlaki zira khuluma ke abangani babangimele sifuna ukudlala phela bona nakudlala kawe uthi mina ngindlala yo mazulu ngicwala kawe ucwala ngami njani ngoba sugcwele already oyisombodishing arbodishing ingala language ya unubila vya akukho nomali ukuthi umfana ngitshela ukuthi ngimuhle ngijwayele ukutshela umama kahle kahle ufunani inyaka rijole yini rijole ama wins no inyaka kube umuntu wakho ufuna ngibe umuntu wakho umuntu already kanti ufuna ukuba abantu abayingaki hayi badlarwe together as one bekuyisipedi manje English yongivelele namhlanje
waka umphethe nayithi
yeah
Pensa my point
wano lebeletse drip ya ngare uthi price
so bana bala ba ithuta go baking ke ba jile ke tswile ke lapile
ke wana ivonchaka chaka ke jale chaka laka
umfana oblind ngamanda manje
Ay, moya. Ngwana o loso. O itshika o ka re ke toso.
Ona la bare ke tsagane ena ke ha
Ke mixes khare ka Sprite. Ke tshwere le ranta ya kwai. Ke dripa ka di kousi ba mpitsa masogisi. Dark skin boy ba re tokomane wa di yobisi.
Di wile kusalo banyesa ke ngwana o pamanyesa
keletse o nice batho ba tsamaile
guys, thanks for watching and thanks for supporting this channel. See you on the next upload. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed.
Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? I go by the name of Maroja. Never been in a studio before, never even invited to a studio before, but I felt like, you know what, today's a good day. Let me just wake up and drop some couple of bars on this beat, if you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, because I felt like this beat is kind of crazy, you know, it's my style, if you know what I'm talking about. Now listen up. Yo. Oledi aka o tsabaletse last course na nthetsa re ke tlhatso dikotlolo medi aka lone ka ke lamzitse ka ke tsibang petsa ka digotlolo mara tsa fire di yo di auti because of ke January ro tla rra nyoko fokolo ai bastard hi thank you